Okay, hi guys. So today we are going to show you to how to get the heft code of your radio. So here is the serial number which we can use to get the heft code, and we're gonna install this radio in a Chrysler 200. Okay, so as you can see, it has been gotten locked, and now we're gonna type in the theft code. But normally the theft code is not provided when you purchase it, but you can actually purchase it from us. So normally we will charge around $20 for this serial number to get the theft code. And we also charge $8 for some models. Okay, see, so it has gotten unlocked, and now everything should work like normal. So if the radio is locked and it needs a theft code, so just ask us in the comments below, and then we can provide you with the theft code.